Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we turn on eyes protection mode in our Redmi phone. As you want to on your eyes protection mode settings, so friends you can on it. And friends, now let's see how to on eyes protection mode in our Redmi phone. Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video, then first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon like my video. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting to on eyes protection mode setting. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. As you can see guys here, display setting guys, click on guys your phone display setting guys, tap here, then guys click on guys this reading mode setting. So guys we call it guys eyes protection mode also. So you want to on, so you can on from here. After on guys your skin color will change. So guys when you operate phone at night, so you should on guys your eyes protection mode, then guys you can operate your phone easily. And guys you can use the schedule option guys, you want to on guys your schedule option, so it turn on and turn off guys, you can use from here guys. So like that guys, you can turn on your eyes protection mode in your Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet up next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye guys.